Okay, so I am doing a diagnostic on this refrigerator here by VINOTEMP. Model and serial is right there. And the issue that's going on is there is no display. Unit is not coming on at all. So no display going on, no lights once the unit is plugged in. The issue is over here. So here you have it's all plugged in. You have the control board here, and basically you could see where the control board is actually a little burned up right there. Let me try and zoom into it. I don't know if you're able to see all that dark discoloration and that point there. That's chart mark. Control board supposed to look like this color. This color here. You can see how it's nicely charred and burnt. I don't know if you could see underneath it in this area here. It's all charred up on the control. Now, from the control board, this is the low voltage transformer right here. And you have power coming in to the main control board, which is verified. Got power coming in. Got power from the main board going out to the low voltage transformer, but there is no output current. So this transformer assembly needs to be replaced, as well as the board assembly, and that's what's causing the issue. That's why the unit, no lights, not working at all. Burned out low voltage controller transformer assembly with a defective board that needs to be replaced, and that should get the unit running like new again. All right, thank you.